Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is 8th day of recording myself. Sorry. The fear which the thing which I was wondering that I will do that, I have made a mistake, which is yesterday I didn't record myself and I didn't do that purposely, but it happens. What can I do? I can't help it. Right now it's right. I wake up today. Woke up early in the morning, and right now I am having something. I'm done with my. I'm done with. I don't. I will not talk about punishment right now. I think I will give myself punishment, which is I will today. I will record for 30 minutes. And my brother is just beside me, and he reminded me of punishment which I was about to give myself, that I will start my journey again. But I didn't thought of that I will take a gap, take a leave as this soon. So now I'm not going to restart because I don't feel like. So that is why I have punished myself, which is that I will talk for 30 minutes continuously. So that is why I have started early. Like today, I woke up early in the morning at 7 or 7:30, and then when I woke up, I quickly get up, get out of the bed, and then I bring a glass for myself, and I had water, warm water, because right now my throat, it is not feeling good because I have cough. I'm suffering from that. And so that last night my mother told me that she had given me Anuska tips for getting relief from that. So that was to take a full spoon of ghee in a ladle, and then add some grated ginger in it. And after that, she told me to add a little bit of crushed pepper, and along with that I have added, she told me to add, so I have added long clove, 6 to 7 clove, and then I just warm it little so that it get cooked little bit. She told me to have it like warm. When I touched it, it was like burning hot. So I let it cool for some time, and then I had it. And the thing which she told me, not to have water for like 1.5 hours after having that mixture. So I did that, and then I slept. And that time I was feeling relief, but it didn't healed me properly, because not everything takes time. And she told me to do it for a couple of time, and after that I will get used to that. So right now I'm cutting the chilies. So this is what we are going to have in breakfast, which is that, let me increase the brightness little bit. So we have done breathing exercise after waking up, we had water, and then now it's time to chop all the vegetables so that it nourishes our body, and all the vitamins and whatever which is essential for our body is going to get that. So that is why I'm just chopping all the vegetable into the soaked gram and moong. So we will have this, and along with that we are also going to have curry leaves. And I will let you know that we have curry leaves plant in our house, but there is only few curry leaves grown. Like there is not lots of leaves on the plant. The plant has like, it is becoming longer and longer, but there is no leaves coming out. I don't know why that is happening. It is not growing well, but still we have plucked some of the leaves so that we can have, and it is very good for the hair. It is good for the hair, skin and everything. I'm just having whatever I feel like it is good for us. So after that, I don't know what to say. I am just peeling off the carrots, and then I'm just chopping it. And besides me, my brother, he is doing some calculations, and he is not in the condition of showing you because he is in banyan. I can't show you kanji. So he is doing his calculation and waiting for, so that I complete all these things so that we can have it. And I'm using so many time, but I have told you like really many times that I will find a word to replace this word from and, but I'm unable to do that. I'm just thinking of and after. We can use it after, and then
After
we can also use then for after that. I don't know what to say, but I need to continue it for like 30 minutes. It is very important. When we were breathing, right in the morning when we come on the roof, upstairs on the roof, the sun was like shining very suddenly. When I told you about the sun, it has started to shine. But when we were breathing, the sun has like hide himself with the clouds. And when I told you about this, it is like rising a little bit, but again there is too much of clouds over it. And when I was looking at the sun continuously, suddenly my eye get blurred. I'm not able to see properly right now. So that's all was happening. I will tell you about the incident which has happened yesterday. So right in the evening, I was waiting. I was not doing anything. Then my brother came downstairs in my room, and he told me that he has checked the test paper of his student, whose name is Anushka. And he showed me her paper, that she didn't scored well. She didn't scored well after teaching the same thing 4 to 5 times. She was unable to get it, and he was like very frustrated that time. He feels like he will beat her so hard. Then he went to her house with that paper, and he hand over the paper to her. And he was just very frustrated. He told her something. I don't know what he told her. I don't know about that. Then he came back to the home, and he told me to let's go out and just have a walk outside our home. So I went there. After I went there with him, I did spend some time. When I was about to go, he was like, don't go. When my younger sister, when she will come, then you can go. And he didn't tell me to go that time also, but he told me to just stay there only. So I was like, let it be, I will take some more time. And I was feeling like I have to do something because I have time. It was in the evening, and in the evening I had to make dinner for all of us. So I was like, okay, let it be, given some time. And we all have early dinner because my father, he is working in his night shift. So he he leaves the home at like 7:30, sometime 8 o'clock. So we need to make dinner as soon as early as possible. So I was waiting and talking to him, and as soon as my younger sister arrived, he was like, "You can go now. I don't need you. You can go now." He don't tell me that I don't need you. He just told me, "You can go now." And like, it was the meaning of his was like the same. He he get another partner to talk, so that is why he was saying, "You can go now." I was like, what the hell he's doing? I was pissed off that time, and like, not really, but I was laughing also. And I told this story to my younger sister. She was like, she started laughing too. So I still waited for some time. There I practiced English, which is like I became the principal of the school, and my brother and my sister. My brother was like a parent, and my sister was a kid student, about whom I was going to complain. So that all happened. We talked. I did complain about the student, what he is doing. He is not performing well in the school, and whatever I said, I did complain about the student to my, like, to the parent, which is my brother. So which was my brother. So I did complain about the student, and and suddenly I changed the topic from student to not paying school fee. So he was like, "You don't teach my children, why I will give you money?" he was like denial mode. He was in denial mode that I have cleared all the bills and due. There is no due left. So that was the thing which we have practiced, and our story ends there. Suddenly the children's students of his real student came out of their house, and they started to play badminton. And after, while they were playing badminton, their cork, they lost their cork that time only, and the cork went into the water, which is like very dirty. So they didn't pick it up. They stopped playing, and they were just talking to us, making some noise. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to speak right now, but I'm still speaking and making something. I don't know. So I will tell you about the incident which has happened on my birthday. I have already told you, but I didn't tell you that what has happened in the night. So while I was watching TV, suddenly my neighbor, she called me, and she know the dates of everybody whose birthday is when. She knows it very well. So she called me in night, and she was like, "Didi, we need party. I need party. Where is your party? You didn't give us birthday party." I was like, "I don't celebrate my birthday. I don't like to celebrate my birthday." So she was like, "No, I still want party from you." I was like, I thought for some time, and I took a deep breath, and then I told her that I will give you tomorrow. But when the tomorrow happens, she came to me. Didi, I will take party. I was like, I will not give you. I will not give you party. Then she don't tell me anything. She was like, she was like, I will take party. I will take party. But I I'm thinking of throwing her a party, which is like not the expensive one, because she is a kid, and I also don't give any party to anybody. I don't like party. wherever there is need of spending money, I will spend it there only. Otherwise I will not spend anything, because I'm a miser. But wherever I feel like it is very important, there I spend money. Otherwise I don't spend money. I don't spend much money on the things which is not necessary. So I will give her a party. I don't know. I think I will give her a party like I will go with her in the market. I don't know when, but I will go and I will tell her to have water balls, and then I will came back. Then I will return home. So this is what I'm thinking of throwing a party to her. Look at the sun. There is no sunshine. The sun is covered with the clouds. So, and we are waiting for some to. We came here to take vitamin D, but
Vitamin D not
though,
take us.
but vitamin D, it doesn't want to generate in my body. So there is so many. There is not so many, but there is few words which is like making chopping sound, and we all are having just good time. We are enjoying the nature.
Wow.
This nature we can't have in the cities, like very metropolitan cities, but we can have it in the area like villages. But I do live in villages. I can say this, but not say this, because it is not that rural area which we like wandered. I don't wander to live in village, but still our home is in village. Kind of, we can say that it is a village, because there is no that much of facilities which we get in the cities, because there is like schools, but there is like very less coachings, and whoever who is like studying in class 10th or 9th, they will not get here coaching, because there is no such institute near our area which will provide good education. There is no such kind of a thing which we can see near our area. So who is studying in the like whoever who is studying in class 10th or whatever, they need to go from here, far away from here, to join a coaching or institute. So that will take like lots of money. That is why I'm saying that it is not developed much, but it is developing, because there in the work of metro is going on, and we here the bus stand there. Here it is like in our area the government built a bus stand, like that is also going to give this area little development, because when there is like bus stand here near my area, it is already made. So people from different not, I can't say country, because I don't think that from another country anybody come from bus to this like India. They may take ships, they may take like planes, flight, but I don't think anybody came here like from another country here by bus. I am taking too much pauses, but what can I do? It's very long time for me to record for 30 minutes. It is like very time taking, and I feel like I'm feeling that it is just 30 minutes is not ending, which is not a I think it is a good thing, but it is very hard for me to talk continuously for 30 minutes It is very hard, but I'm still trying. So right now I'm chopping off the beetroot. It is very very healthy for what we call it, skin and hair. Then what? Oh,
There's a
I
problem.
did something wrong. I was not about to cut this and this, but I did that. But let it be, I will not cut the another one. I will keep it aside because we are going to have it like as it is. We are not going to mix because the taste of the beetroot is like quite different and we don't like it. But we still have it because it is good for us. So I will not going to mix it. I will not mix it in this mixture. You can see this. So I was talking about the bus stand. Yes. So there is so many people come from different state, from different area, and they all like that is why there is people who is getting like employed because of the stores which has opened open there. Many kinds of store is open there and they are getting employed. Yes, they are getting their work there, so they could spend some they could earn some money from there, so that is going to help us. So that is the thing which is happening, and it is a developing area which is not developed, but it is in a progress. It is developing day by day. So I live in that kind of a area, but the air which we like inhale exhale here is like very fresh. It's very fresh. We'll have it as compared to the metropolitan cities. So now it's time to enjoy my meal. But how will I talk when I will just, and I will let you know that it has been 22 minutes since when I'm talking continuously. So right now I'm squeezing lemon in the mixture. Right now I'm finding a seed of a lemon, because when we all have that seed, that is going to taste very bitter in taste. It is very bitter in taste.
What?
So that is why I'm just extracting it from, separating the seeds from the mixture. It will not taste good. So that is why. Oh, I did a great job. I must like appreciate myself.
Appreciate it. Appreciation.
Oh my god, why is this happening? I don't know. I did that. Just you all need to like praise me. I did a really great job.
इतना बड़ा लीव नहीं कि.
And our morning bowl is ready and we can have it. And I have also added like a little salt, which I didn't bring. Obviously my brother, he was the one who bring it from the kitchen. I'm just going to give it a good mix so that it can everything. Oh, you didn't bring the tomatoes. You forgot it.
Yes.
Why did you do that?
Because
what?
Because
you shouldn't have done that.
Because I forgot.
So this is the thing which we are going to do. Look at the mix. Can you see this? No, you can see this. This is very very healthy meal. It's a very healthy meal. So in winters we are unable to like we are unable to turn the grams into sprouted grams. We are unable to, because if we want to have sprouts, for preparing sprouts we need some time, because it takes a lot of time, and because the environment is like little colder because it's winter. That is why it is not getting sprouted. So what I have done is that I have soaked like really large amount of grams and moongs dipped into the water. I just take a colander. I put all the things in the colander and I covered it with the lid and let it be there for some time. But right in the morning when I woke up, then I saw that there was nothing happened to the grams. So I given it some more time. I have keep it covered, and hopefully it will turn like little sprouted next morning. So I will have that. So some amount of things which we have taken to just eat it, and now we are going to have it. It's ready. And he is also done with the what we call it. He is also done with his calculation session. I think there is like little less amount of salt in it, but let it be, we will manage. I just need to stand up because I'm not getting that
Cozy.
vibe to talk. So you can see the sun has already like disappeared. I can't see it. Sun is not here. It is covered with, there is a cute boy going to his school. You can see there. Where? Yeah, here. Yes, here. He is going to the school with her mother, wearing a earmuff, and it is looking very cute. Like there is something on his head which is like looking like a rabbit ear, and it is looking must. It is looking very nice. And I will let you know about that boy. He lives near my area. Like that is his home. This one is his home, and he live it there. Wherever he saw anybody from his roof, he just call him a. He just made a sound like a too, so that everybody recognize him and talk to him a little bit. So he's very cute, and he keep playing on his roof with the vehicle, whatever he has, whatever toy he have, he keep playing. And he is very small. He was very small when he started going to school. Look at my hand, it has turned reddish and very nice. So we are just waiting for this to getting dried up, because it is wet. And we forgot to yesterday we forgot to keep it in the room. Then all the water, it has soaked some water in the night, and it has become wet again. So that is not a thing. I don't know how I'm just keeping it on. It is very hard. Just trust me. It is very hard to talk for 30 minutes if you are if you are not fluent, if you are not you are learning. And while learning, it is very hard. Trust me, it is very hard to keep talking for 30 minutes. If you think that it is not, please record yourself for 30 minutes if you can. Then you will get to know that how difficult it is to record ourselves for 30 minutes. So I have achieved that goal, because it's already 29 minutes and 35 seconds, and I did that, and I'm very happy about it. Yesterday I was unable to record. When I was watching TV, when I have started movie to watch, I was like I haven't record myself, but I will so I need to record myself. So I was like, okay, let the movie get over, over, then I will record myself. And when the movie get over, like it finished, I forgot, it skipped from my mind that I haven't recorded myself. So that was very nice. And 30 minutes has completed now, so I will take you a leave. Thanks for watching. Till then, bye bye.